Hello, this is another video tutorial on triangles. Everything you need to know about triangles for our geometry unit. Okay, the key to successfully understanding triangles is to master the key terms. Okay, to look at two important triangle rules. Okay, the first is interior angles of a triangle and exterior angles of a triangle. So we have heard the words interior and exterior when we talked about transversal angles. So let's take a moment to see if you remember what interior and exterior means. So interior angles of a triangle, okay? Interior, again, if we have a triangle, interior would be inside. Okay, we are talking about the angles that are inside the triangle, because interior means, okay, inside. Okay, so the interior angles of a triangle, this is the rule, total 180 degrees. Okay, so that means if I add angle A plus angle B plus angle C, it should total 180 degrees. Now this is very important because sometimes you will be given a triangle with only the measurements of two angles. So in order to calculate the measure of the other angle, you can use the internal angles of a triangle rules, okay? So instead of writing interior angles of a triangle, okay, this whole thing, I will accept interior angles of a triangle. IA triangle equals 180 degrees, okay? So for example, you have this problem. You are given the measure of this angle and this angle. How will you calculate for angle A? So all you have to do is to follow the interior angles of a triangle rule. And we know that the interior angles of a triangle total 180 degrees. So what are the interior angles? We know one of them is A, the other is 70 degrees, the other is 50 degrees equals 180. So this would be A plus 120 degrees equals 180 degrees minus 120 degrees minus 120 degrees. So you have A is equal to 60 degrees. See, this is where algebra comes in. That's why we studied algebra first, so that you can apply your algebra knowledge to solving geometry problems, okay? So because of this, we know that A is 60 degrees, okay? A is 60 degrees. The reason is interior angles of a triangle. And then we showed the equation. This is the equation, and this is the solution, okay? So this is how it looks like. So let's solve for angle BCA. Again, we studied how to read angles written this way, okay? Remember, it's like following the trail. So BCA. So which angle are we looking at? We are looking at this angle, okay? Remember, C is the vertex. That's where the two line segments or rays meet, at the vertex, okay? So let's solve for this angle, okay? So I'll give you a few minutes, okay? Solve it and give me an answer. Okay, so our reasoning is we are using interior angles of a triangle equals 180 degrees. Our equation is angle BCA plus 60 degrees plus 40 degrees equals 180. And our solution is angle BCA plus 100 degrees equals 180 minus 100 minus 100 angle BCA is equal to 80 degrees. Okay, so this is 80 degrees. Did you get it? Now, combining transversals and interior angles of a triangle. Okay, so this is now where we put algebra, transversal angles knowledge, and interior angles of the triangle. Okay, so solve for angle A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, so now this is the question you are solving, wherein you will put together your knowledge of transversal angles, triangle rules, and algebra. Okay, so let's begin with angle A. Okay, solve it and answer the question. Did you get it? Okay, angle A is equal to 60 degrees because they are vertical angles. Remember from our lesson on transversals? Okay, this is an X, and vertical angles are opposite each other. Okay, now let's solve for angle B. Did you get it? Okay, if you look at angle 110, B, and 51, all of them are on a straight line. See, all of them are on a straight line. That makes them supplementary angles. And we know that supplementary angles total 180 degrees. So that means B plus 51 plus 110 should total 180 degrees. So this would be B plus 161 degrees equals 180 minus 161 minus 161. B is equal to 19 degrees. Okay, 19. And the reason being, they are supplementary angles. They are angles on a straight line. Okay, good. Next, let's solve for angle C. Okay, solve it and answer the question. Did you get it? Okay, so let's move the solution over here. To solve this, you will use the interior angles of triangle rule. And we know interior angles of a triangle total 180 degrees. So as you can see, we have angle A, which is 60, angle B, which is 19, and the unknown is angle C. So A plus B plus C equals 180. We know what A is. A is 60, B is 19 degrees, and we don't know what C is. And use your algebra. 79 plus C equals 180 minus 79 minus 79. So we know that angle C is equal to 101 degrees, okay? So this is 101 degrees, okay? So now let's solve for angle D, okay? If you look over here, you will see that angle C and angle D are on a straight line. That means they are supplementary angles. So that means D plus C should total 180 degrees because they are supplementary angles. We do not know what D is, but we do know what C is. Okay? Minus 101 minus 101. So that means D is equal to 79 degrees. Okay? Did you get it? Okay. And lastly, angle E. To solve for angle E, we need to use the interior angles of a triangle rule. Okay, because we do have the interior angles. We have two interior angles that we know the measure of. So that means we can solve for E. Okay, so this means E, sorry, E plus D plus 51 equals 180. So we do not know what E is, but we know what D is. It's 79 degrees plus 51 degrees equals 180. So E plus 130 degrees equals 180 degrees, minus 130 minus 130. E is equal to 50 degrees. Okay? Did you get it? Okay, good.